Hi, my name's Stephanie. I'm the chair of the Central Ohio Rain Garden Initiative, and with me today is Jim Roberts with Watershed Organic Lawn Care. And we're here talking about the rain garden project that we did in the Brook subdivision. There are 33 homes in this subdivision, and we've retrofitted 16 of the properties to have a rain garden to collect runoff from their downspout. So the first step of the project was we met with each of the individual homeowners. We held a big meeting and we set up site assessments to go over the project and details about rain gardens. We met with each of the homeowners and had them start doing a little bit of homework on their own. Rain gardens are sized based on the drainage area of the rooftop as well as the soil properties. So each of the homeowners dug a test hole in the area that we thought might be suitable for the rain garden. They dug a hole about 8 inches deep, the size of a coffee can, filled that hole up with water, and checked back after 24 hours to see how far down the water had drained. Based on that information, that was going to be the depth of our rain garden. Most of the test holes in this neighborhood drained that 8 inches within the 24 hours. And then we took their rooftop area, divided it by that depth in order to get the total size of the rain garden. This is Jim Roberts with Watershed Organic Lawn Care, and he's the landscaper who's installing the rain gardens here, and he's going to go through the steps on how to install rain gardens.
The first step is to have the area you want marked by OOPS. They'll check for underground utilities. Have the area where the rain garden's going to be marked, and the area between the house and the rain garden where the pipe to carry the water to the rain garden will run. After that's done, you mark out the rain garden depending on the size of your roof, excavate that site. We ended up hauling away some of the soil, and with some of the other soil, we built this small retaining wall around the outside to help hold in some of the water, or in this case, divert some of the water that was coming from down the hill into the rain garden. After it's excavated, we plant suitable plants in the rain garden. Here we have a mixture of grasses, shrubs, and perennials, something that'll bloom through all the seasons. So as far as getting the water to the rain garden, at this house we were able to intercept the pipes that were coming off the house that took the water down through the culvert. Let's take a closer look on how we get the water to the rain garden. So here we exposed the pipe that was coming through the yard, made a cut, hooked up a 90-degree turn, and we send it through this black corrugated pipe to the rain garden. As the water flows down and enters the rain garden through this area, we'll be taking the gravel and surrounding this pipe to help slow the water as it enters the rain garden. As the water enters the rain garden, it'll fill up and drain. The idea is not to hold water like a pond, but simply allow it to percolate into the soil